Debit versus credit. Why most people get it wrong. What is a debit card, and why do most people confuse it with credit? If you use a debit card every day but still don't fully understand how it works, you're not alone. Most people confuse debit cards with credit cards, and that mistake can quietly destroy your finances. In this video, I'll explain what a debit card is, how it works, and the biggest difference between debit and credit so you never make that mistake again. If you're starting from zero, understanding this is one of the most important financial basics. A debit card is directly connected to your bank account, usually your checking account. When you use a debit card to buy something, the money comes out of your own account immediately. That means you are spending money you already have. There is no borrowing, no loan, no debt. If you have $500 in your checking account, that is your limit. Simple. A credit card works differently. When you use a credit card, you are borrowing money from the bank. You spend now and pay later. If you don't pay it back on time, interest starts growing. And that's where many people get trapped. This is why so many beginners confuse the two. Both cards look the same. Both can be used online. Both can be used in stores. But financially, they are completely different. Debit card means your money. Credit card means borrowed money. Here's a simple example. Let's say you go to the store and buy groceries for $100. If you use your debit card, that $100 leaves your bank account instantly. If you use your credit card, the bank pays first, and you owe that money later. That one difference changes everything. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make with debit cards. Number 1. Using debit for everything and never building credit. Your debit card does not improve your credit score. Only responsible use of credit can help build your credit history. Number 2. Treating debit like protection. Debit cards usually offer less fraud protection than credit cards. If someone steals money from your debit card, it can be harder to recover. Number 3. Thinking debit is always better. It depends. Debit is great for controlling spending. Credit is better for building credit and earning rewards, if used responsibly. The smart strategy is knowing when to use each one. Debit for control. Credit for building financial power. Not confusion. Not debt. Just strategy. The main idea is simple. A debit card uses your money. A credit card uses the bank's money. If you understand that, you are already ahead of most people. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a simple budget that actually works, even if you feel like you never have enough money. Because making money matters. But controlling money matters more.